In our last video, I discussed how to plan for leadership succession and how to find potential leaders in your company. Today, I will go deeper into how to best utilize your human capital in its current state. When looking at individuals in your company, their roles will fall into one of four categories: strategic, core, supporting, or misaligned. Let's look at each of these in detail to assist you when mapping out responsibilities. Strategic roles are roles that a company cannot function without. They are not always top executive positions. There is a significant risk to the business if these roles are not filled with qualified people. An example of this would be a nurse, as this position keeps the day-to-day functions going within a hospital. Core roles are vital to operations, sales, or revenue production of a company. Marketing departments are a great example, as they produce strategies that result in revenue and sales. Supporting roles are exemplified in the human resources and IT departments, as they support all other processes in an organization. Misaligned roles are jobs that could be replaced with technology or artificial intelligence, or even just outsourced to other specialists. This can be seen in the fast food industry, as more and more restaurants are opting for mobile ordering options as well as kiosks in physical locations. In searching for potential future leaders, do not confuse key employees with strategic roles. Strategic roles, as mentioned earlier, are key to your company's success. A key employee, however, can be successful and beneficial in other positions. While making decisions, it is important to remember that your human capital strategy must align with your business strategy to be successful. Stakeholders may have to consider internal and external candidates when assessing skill gaps within the organization. If you make the decision to outsource positions, be prepared to communicate with the stakeholders about the influences surrounding your decision. Keep in mind that there is no best practice or blanket solution. Every company is different with varying strengths and opportunities. Discovering the essence of your company and what makes it successful, whether that be internal practices, your employees, or their roles, will give you the best insight when constructing your succession plan. Succession planning is not a task to put off until you transition out of management. This planning process should be continuous. This allows you time to observe and evaluate which employees are capable of leading the company that you built. Now is the best time to start succession planning. Contact ATA Employment Solutions today to start the planning process.